We have a new 2-minute up video, and it's all about ABAP with generative AI. In this lab's preview video, you'll explore the power of a GPT prototype for ABAP. You'll also learn how generative AI can revolutionize ABAP development by creating code from scratch, building new RAP applications, simplifying code comprehensions, identifying and resolving coding issues, and generating test classes to ensure enterprise-grade quality. Now, this video will also help you understand how to adapt your classic ABAP code for cloud readiness in SAP S/4HANA, catering to both cloud and on-premise solutions. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the play button right now or check out the description below to witness how generative AI can enhance the efficiency of an ABAP developer.
This month's SAP Developer Challenge on APIs is well underway, just over the halfway stage through August, and there have been a number of tasks in this challenge released. Participation is amazing. We've had some wonderful conversations, lots of great answers, good discussion, and we've got some more tasks coming your way. So just check out the stats here to see what's been going on. It's not too late even to get started. We've had 7 tasks published so far. By the time you see this SAP Developer News item on Friday the 18th of August, there'll be another task published, and there are a few more tasks coming your way next week and the week after. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the blog post, which is linked in the description, and start working through the tasks. The idea is, of course, as we said last week, that the tasks are simple enough for you to cover in a coffee break. So, see you on the community platform.
There's a great new blog post on the SAP community that caught my eye the other day, and based on the number of views, I think it got a lot of your attention as well. It's entitled Smooth Transition to ABAP for Cloud Development, cheat sheet, and it's by community member Yu-Chang Yen. Now, he's done a great job of collecting a ton of resources about how to transition concepts from your current ABAP to ABAP Cloud. He's done a nice little table that maps many of these concepts, whether they're tables and views or common function modules, classes, or just general concepts or approaches to things. Not only a table, but he's added examples, detailed examples for some of the more difficult things to transition on, and added those into this blog post as well. Now, as I said, this has gathered a lot of attention because it's obviously a hot topic, one that resonates with the community, and the author's done such an excellent job of pulling together these resources. My first reaction was, wow, wouldn't this be great if this content was available on GitHub so that others could contribute to it over time as well? I wasn't alone in that regard. Some other people have made that comment in the comments, and the original authors are already discussing with them how and where the content might be moved to. But in the meantime, I'd still encourage you to check out this blog post as a great starting point to this topic, excellent resource, and then keep an eye on where it's going to go. Because I think this is something that a lot of people will get value from in the SAP community, and I think there's a lot of people that would have ideas and items to contribute to it as well. So, as always, the link to the blog post will be in the description of the video. Please check it out.
For those of you that are interested in AI, and there's probably a lot of you, I wanted to bring to your attention that the SAP Core Toolkit is now generally available. Check out this great blog post linked to in the comments below. The SAP AI Core Toolkit for Visual Code Studio makes a connection to your SAP AI Core instance directly from VScode. It allows you to develop solutions for your use case and leverage AI capabilities through SAP AI Core in one developer tool. The toolkit is available through the Extensions Marketplace in VScode. And if this is something new to you, there's a tutorial that you can check out. Again, the link is below. And in this tutorial, you can try out something really cool, building a house price predictor with SAP AI Core using VScode Toolkit.
Hello. This is an important item for those of us running apps and services on SAP Business Technology Platform using Node.js, specifically version 16 of Node.js. Originally, the long-term support for Node.js was to run for version 16 up until April 2024. However, the end of life for Node.js 16 has been brought forward to the 11th of September, next month, 11th of September 2023. The reason for this is that one of the main components in Node.js for secure communication, OpenSSL, at version 1.1.1, that version, support for that version runs out on September the 11th, 2023. Now, the technical steering committee, the Node.js technical steering committee, deliberated and had a number of options available to them. The one with the least risk was to bring forward end of life for Node.js 16. Therefore, SAP recommend that you migrate any apps or services that are running on Node.js 16 to Node.js 18 or even 20. Node.js 18 is the current long-term support version. There are links in the description of this news episode to a customer support letter and various technical resources you can dig into to find out more.